Una say World Dog was right, Sioni was right. This not have nothing to do with right or wrong. Them a report him missing.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up first and foremost, Awolande with the latest updates and mix up and mix down. So subscribe and like if for your first time over your son.
Sanakan, where you going?
Yeah, my boss. Good night, my day, my boss.
You alright?
Yeah, my day,
The
my boss.
Wi-Fi you mess up my youth.
Yeah,
The Wi-Fi you mess up though. But hear me I say, you have everybody that worry about your door.
Yeah, my boss, man, go out and type my insurance, me I go up and I work, brother.
But you, when you leave for go up on the work?
From Monday, boss.
From Monday.
Yes, my boss.
And the whole day, and whole day Monday, you not contact nobody, right?
We very contact with him, brother.
And the whole day Tuesday, you not contact nobody, right?
Yeah, just go out, brother, because this is work.
And the whole day Wednesday, still not contact nobody?
Make somebody come out, they're busy working, brother.
You have to understand this, Sandakan.
Yeah, my chief.
People worry about you more times. So you cannot do that, brother. You cannot do that.
Brother.
No, you cannot do that. On a serious note, you cannot do that, brother.
Yeah, my chief.
So all you know say people are look for you.
Yeah, because we get the message, my brother.
So, like we never contact nobody through Monday or Tuesday. So like Wednesday, you never really come to your mind. So you go,
I don't want to return.
No, say we realize and say something I mess up. So when you realize that choose Wednesday now, you not really reach out to nobody, never come to your mind, say you try to contact somebody. Am I right then, man? Let me explain something to some of the people, right? Una say World Dog was right, Sioni was right. This not have nothing to do with right or wrong. Them a report him missing. What if something wrong with him then? Una say, okay, Ras Lava right then. Una for meds. This never have nothing to do with right or wrong. Me and I'm guardian or nothing. I see me see the post and they reach out to me also. They missing it all over the internet. All you have to say, on glad say him all right. Glad say him all right. That's all you have to say. Glad say him all right. Yo. Yeah. So I don't have to say, on glad him all right. When if remember say, Sander Connor really 100. That we are talking about. It may seem not really 100 at that. Somebody leave Monday morning and return back today. You understand me?
Yeah, my boss.
Yeah.
Me again, my boss.
As I said to you, you have people out here care about you.
Yes, my boss.
You never don't do such thing again, fam.
Yes, my boss.
You leave in the day, go do some work, and you know you're going to spend the night somewhere.
Yes,
You contact the person who in charge of certain thing for you.
Yes,
And say, you know, something over such and such yard.
Yeah,
Remember, you leave Monday morning.
yeah.
The whole day Monday, nobody not hear back from you. The whole day Tuesday, nobody hear back from you. The whole day Wednesday, nobody not hear back from you. You cannot have people mind a fuck up like that.
Yeah, my chief.
So you never phone.
You know, I have phone, but you know, say, it's a girl take it, brother, and it's like, him take it to her brother and bring it back to me, and you don't know. You know, bring it back to me, and it's like, man, my people have back feet, brother, and it's like, when I get it back, and I get it, and it's a function thing about the girl took my trip on them, all them things that start, the phone messed up, and brother.
So all the girl get a phone?
You know, say, I'm a place, eh?
How much you get the phone?
My place there, and the girl come and tell me, Ray, say, boy, this and them people, man, this man, thing, and it's like what I did before, and it's like, girl, I gone to work, come work, so I come back, me deal on a level, and the girl, my phone and go gone. Me there, me work, and me right there, I jump, brother, and it's like, me come on my yard, and I say, something going wrong. People I work for them, I say, boy, nothing wrong, so I can go and work. It's a blade, me full up, and I say, boy, go and work, no wrong, and me come on my yard, and deal with my people, and thing, they say, boy, go check the building, and so I go on. I'm go check down there, my phone, if I'm charge, I'm good on my phone, go and charge, still like plug, brother.
Is that look a girlfriend at the time?
Yeah, brother.
Okay, man, understand. Well,
yeah, brother.
at least it's still a fuck some girls still, but
Yes,
I understand, but anyway there,
yeah, my chief.
no, the girl in charge of you, no her number.
Yeah, my chief.
So that means if anyway they can still borrow a phone and make a call and tell her say you're all right. Because
Yeah,
she never know where you're there. You can't do that.
Yeah, but no, me gone to work. Gone work when I come back and she take my phone and gone with it, my king.
No, me not talk about the girl with the phone.
Yeah.
I talk about you leave Monday and nobody not know.
Yeah, my chief. Yeah, me wrong on the levels, me done.
Yeah, you not do them because people are worried about you, bad man.
Yeah, me understand, brother.
All right?
Yeah, my chief.
And go and take care of yourself and be safe.
Yeah, my chief.
All right?
Yeah, my chief.
Stay buzzing. All
yeah,
right.
me daddy. Yeah, me daddy.
All right then.
Yeah, me daddy.